let the dogs out?
Who let the dogs out?
A is for Afghan Hound. They're strong-willed with a low tendency to bark, affectionate and loyal.
Ya better have a brush ready. That dog's hair is longer than mine.
B is for Belgian Malinois.
This versatile and highly energetic dog plays roles in search and rescue.
But good luck keeping him fenced in. C is for Chihuahua, a super small loyal pet that barks a lot when startled.
Yo quiero taco,
D is for Dalmatian. Their dots appear within 10 days after birth, and note the Dalmatians have the same pattern.
Yeah, we saw the movie already 101 times.
E is for English Setter. Gentle and affectionate, this dog is often seen in competitions. They were originally bred for hunting.
That silky hair is gonna need grooming, buddy.
F is for French Bulldog. This dog was bred to create a distinct appearance, weighs around 28 pounds, and has ears that look like a bat.
G for German Shepherd. Loyal, intelligent, protective, and versatile, they excel in work and provide awesome companionship.
H for Havanese.
Small, lively breed, typically weighing 7 to 13 pounds. Known for its silky coat and friendly, affectionate nature.
I is for Irish Hound. Bro, he's humongous.
You're so short.
Just buy a horse already. These dogs are generally introverted, intelligent, and reserved.
J is for Jack Russell Terrier. Known for its high energy, intelligence, and fearless nature, this breed excels in agility and loves to dig. K is for Keeshondan. They are known for their smiling expression and their tendency to spin in circles when happy.
What a cute ball of fur!
L is for Labrador, a friendly breed that excels as a family pet.
One of the most popular dogs. Everybody and their mama owns this breed.
M is for Mastiff, coming in at 120 to 230 pounds. This gentle giant breed is known for its loyal, protective nature.
Why didn't ya mention all the drool and slobber?
N for Newfoundland, a gentle breed known to excel in water rescue. It has a thick, water-resistant coat.
Water-resistant? Does that make him hard to wash?
Nah, I don't think so. They clean up just fine. O for Old English Sheepdog, originally bred for herding. This playful dog makes a great family companion.
Aw, they are so cute when they're puppies.
P for Pomeranian, a 3 to 7 pounds per pound, most lively and fluffy little breed that's sure to keep ya on your toes.
Happy, cute, and yappy for sure.
Q for Queensland Heeler, a rugged, energetic breed, weighing in at 35 to 50 pounds. Known for its intelligence, agility, and strong herding instincts.
Gonna require lots of exercise and mental stimulation.
R is for Rottweiler, loyal, powerful, and protective by nature.
He's an OG.
Original gangster.
They're actually affectionate with family and a natural guard dog. S for Siberian Husky, the closest dog relative of the wolf, energetic, tries to talk when barking, intelligent escape artist that was bred to work and run by nature.
More like bred to shed. Better beware of the hair.
T for Tibetan Terrier, historically served as a companion and herder in Tibet. This breed is known for its gentle, adaptable nature.
Oh really? When a big dog walks by, watch what happens.
U is for Utunganan.
A what again?
It's also known as a Northern Inuit dog, a cool mix of Alaskan Malamute, Siberian Husky, and German Shepherd.
V for Vizsla, a versatile hunting dog used to point and retrieve. It has natural ability to track, is fearless, and has protective instinct. W is Weinheimer, known for their distinctive silver-gray coat, webbed feet for swimming, and a strong prey drive.
X is for Sholo.
What about the rest of the name?
They are fiercely loyal to their families and can be quite vocal. They also sweat through their skin.
That dog is freaky.
Y is for Yorkshire Terrier, known to be very affectionate, even to strangers.
Wow! What about stranger danger?
Z is for Zuchon, a small companion dog who will enjoy games and being part of everything their owner does.
In other words, this dog will stalk you.
Thanks for watching the video.
Please like, subscribe, and share.